Is this the place you asked to come?
This is the address.
Hey, hi Siddhant. What a surprise. You have come without being invited and you're here before everyone else. I'm sorry, that's not what I meant, but I didn't invite you because I didn't think that you'd be able to make it. And by the way, where's Anushka?
She isn't here. And she won't even come to attend your party.
Then why are you here?
I called Siddhant here. There are some important documents that need to be signed, and I'm really thankful to Siddhant. Thank you, Siddhant. Amit, Siddhant was your classmate as well. Why didn't you invite him?
I made a mistake. Actually, the thing is, I have already apologized to Siddhant. Since you are here, you're not leaving, Siddhant, or else I'll be accused of being partial.
Relax.
So, you stay here and I'll catch you in a while.
So, Siddhant, let's finish the work, then we can enjoy the party.
Sure.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Done. Mr. Sweetie?
All right.
Siddhant, I want to talk to you about an important matter.
Tell me.
I wanted to...
I'll go to the washroom and come.
Siddhant, I wanted to apologize. I behaved rudely with you. And I should have understood that it would be so tough for you after Mr. Prabhakar's death. So, I just want to apologize. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry for my behavior. Friends? Great. Enjoy the party and take care of yourself. Take care.
Hi, Parag.
Anushka, where are you? Everyone has already arrived. When are you going to come?
Hold on. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Amit Diwan's party. What else?
No, I won't be able to attend it. I have got lots of work to do. In fact, I'm still in the office.
But your employees are here. In fact, I even saw Karthik here. So your employees are here.
Which employee?
Siddhant.
Siddhant? What's he doing over there?
He is partying. What else would he do in a party? He's having fun.
Well, I'll inform you if I'll feel like attending it. Okay, bye.
Shall we go to Amit Diwan's wedding?
Forget about him and his wedding too. Siddhant Sinha. Alright, if you can attend the party, even I can.
Where is Mr. Sweetie?
Hi Siddhant. It's been a long time.
Hey Nikhil, how are you?
So did Amit invite you as well?
I wouldn't attend the party, even if he had. I came here because Karthik had some business to take care of. You can carry on and enjoy the party. Just don't spoil my mood.
Excuse me, guys. Important call. Hello? Yes, brother. China? But where are you? No, I'll take care of it. Don't worry. Work is important. Dad gave me an earful today. Yes, I'll take care of it. Don't worry. Bye. Yes. Amit? Amit, I have to leave. An important work came up.
Hey, what can be more important than
I
this,
know.
pal?
I guess this is a sign that we aren't kids anymore. We can't go on partying till the wee hours. When work beckons, we have to go.
Oh, come on, man.
No, congratulations. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself and take care of my friends.
Sure.
Bye.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Oh wow, you are enjoying all alone? Have you forgotten me?
I'm not enjoying alone. Where were you?
Oh come on, pal. I gave the slip to Mr. Karthik, saying I was going to the washroom. But there really felt like doing it, so I did it.
You are impossible, Mr. Sweetie. Shall we leave?
Siddhant, are you enjoying?
We have to leave, Amit.
Hey, please wait. Meet my fiancée. Just a moment. Neha? So, Siddhant, Neha, Siddhant. And this is...
Sweetie.
Hello. Oh, he is Siddhant, Anushka's friend.
Yes.
Didn't Anushka come?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And from my side too, congratulations.
Thank you.
I think I should get going.
Have a drink and go.
No.
I insist, man. Please, otherwise I'll feel that you haven't forgiven me.
Mr. Siddhant, one should not refuse free liquor. Let's have a peg each.
Come on, Siddhant. Just one drink. The situation calls for it. What do you say?
Alright. One drink. After that, we'll leave.
Sure.
What would you like to have, sir? Whiskey, vodka, rum, tequila, or gin?
Whatever you recommend.
Make a large one for me. Mr. Siddhant, you said so confidently that Anushka will not come to the party.
Shall we attend Amit Devan's wedding?
Forget about him and his wedding too.
I know her very well. She won't come.
Anushka. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
Please come. Please, please. Siddhant had said that you will not make it to the party, but you have come. By the way, didn't you tell Siddhant that you are attending this party?
And shall I remind you, your important work, your farewell party, where there were all your friends, correction, wealthy friends, were invited, and you did not even tell me. Why would she tell me? I'm nobody to her.
Even you didn't inform me that you were attending this party. Anyway, enjoy the party.
You too. Enjoy.
Another round?
Didn't you hear what Anushka just said? Let's enjoy. Bartender, one more, okay? You better make it large this time.
Amit, won't you introduce me to your fiancée?
Yes, she's somewhere here. Please come.
है तुझी से वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू